How to send PiCoin to exchange. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to send PiCoin to exchange. So first thing first, just make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed all of your Pi network application as well as your Pi browser, and also make sure that you have successfully logged into your account, and just click on this hamburger icon at the top left corner and it will show you like this. You can see there is an option that is mainnet. So to send PiCoins to an exchange, you will first need to ensure your PiCoins are on the mainnet and that you have completed the KYC verification. So just click on that, and from over here you can just tap on this mainnet checklist and make sure you have completed all of these given steps over here, which will help you to send PiCoin to any exchange. And also make sure that you have a transferable balance. You can just find that by clicking on this transferable balance option over here and simply checking it out. And once you do all of that, just click on this migrated to mainnet option over here and simply click on it, and you just have to wait for some time. So once you're inside in this screen, here you should see some buttons such as add funds. If you don't see that, you can just tap on this show more from over here. So you will then be redirected to this screen where it can ask you to unlock Pi wallet. So you just enter your 24-word passphrase over here and simply click on unlock, or you can also actually unlock with your fingerprint if you have one, and just head back. So now it will then ask you to pay your request, that is to enter your wallet address. So to do that, you will be requiring a third-party application or third-party exchange platform such as Bitget. So if you don't see this screen yet, you might be seeing this screen such as. So if you see this screen, you can just tap on this actually manually add wallet address instead of scanning your QR code, because if you are using this to send or request Pi from someone who is not in your contacts yet. And in this example, I'll be showing you from an example of Bitget. So just open the fonts or click on add fonts inside your Bitget application and just click on deposit crypto, and you can actually search in for Pi and simply copy the deposit address from over here, and again open your Pi wallet and just paste the address that you just copied, and you can simply click on send. And just like that, you have successfully sent PiCoin to exchange. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.